Okay, that's it. Okay, wait for a moment. Let me write it again because we are going to read this one. Okay, Okay, all your answer is correct, Kongdat. So let us read all the words. I will just going to repeat it, okay? Okay, Kongdat, let us read the words. Start with number 1. What is number 1? How do you read this one?
Black.
Black. Okay, how about number 2?
Clay.
Cl in. Cl
Green.
One more time. How do you read this one? Okay. Clean. Can you say
Green.
clean? One more time.
Green.
Clean. Okay. How about this one? How you read this one? Okay. 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 Take a look at this one first. How do you read the
Blake.
two? What it is?
Big.
Brick. One more time. Brick. One more time.
Brick.
Brick. Okay. Number 4. Cra. Okay. How you read the 2? Cra. Ain.
Cry.
Cra.
Cry.
Ain. It will be okay. Ain. Ain. Okay. What should be the? How do you read this one?
Cry. In.
Ain. Ain. It will be
Cry. In. Cry.
okay.
In.
Ain. And how you read the whole? It will be brain. Can you say
Green.
brain? One more time.
Green.
Okay. How about this one? Okay. You read first this
Green.
one, and this is a
This.
flute. Okay. Flute.
Wood.
One more time. Okay. How about this one?
Two.
Okay.
Two.
You listen first. Okay, this gl. Okay, gl eyed. Gl
Cry.
eyed.
I.
Okay, it will be okay,
Cry.
gl
In.
eyed. Okay, this will be
Cry.
glide. Okay, glide. Can you say
Right.
glide? One more time.
Right.
Glide.